If you're using Windows, you might want to see what active network connections you have opened. So in this video, we will show you exactly how to do that. Now if you're using Windows 11, you can open internet connectivity by opening the system tray, click the Wi-Fi logo or the globe icon, then this will show your active internet network connection. Another method is to open your settings, click Network and Internet, and you can now see the status of your network connection and the name of any internet networks you're connected to. Moreover, if you're using Windows 10, you can just open Settings, click Network and Internet, select Ethernet, select Network and Sharing Center, and then in here, click the icon next to Connections, click Details, and this will prompt the window to display the details of your network connection. And those are the ways how to see active network connections in your Windows computer. If you found this video helpful, kindly like and subscribe. You may also click and turn on the notification bell so you can be notified from whenever we release new videos.